students, in this video we are discuss about 9th standard computer science lesson 1. In previous video you are studied what is laptop and what are the difference between laptop and desktop computer. Today you are studying what is netbook and what is mobile device. What are the different types of mobile device. Okay students, first one, netbook. What is netbook? A netbook is a type of laptop that is designed to be even more portable. Netbooks are often cheaper than laptop or desktop. Netbook is a type of laptop. One of the type of laptop is a netbook. Even more portable and very cheaper costly than laptop and desktop computer. Okay. Next, it has smaller screen and keyboard. It has smaller screen. Netbook has smaller screen and a keyboard. Next, what are the OS can be used in netbooks? OS means operating system. Windows 7 starter and Linux. What are the OS can be used? Windows 7 starter and Linux. Next one, mobile device. What is mobile device? Mobile device is a handheld computer. What is mobile device? Mobile device is basically any handheld computer. Handheld computer. It is fitting in your palm. It is fitting in your palm or in your pocket. Next, what are the different types of mobile devices? Tablet computer, e-paper, e-reader and a smartphone. That's a different types of mobile devices. Okay. Next one, mobile OS. What are the operating system used in mobile devices? Android and iOS. Android and iOS is the different operating system used in the mobile devices. Next topic, solid state drives. Drives means drives. Hard disk drives. Hard disk drives can be USB drives that can be used in mobile devices. What is the use of drivers? To save space. To save space. What is the use? To save space. Next one, Wi-Fi and 3G, 4G. Data plan, mobile device, you can use internet access. How can be used? Wi-Fi connections. Wi-Fi connections, 3G and 4G data plan can be used in Wi-Fi connection. Next topic, Bluetooth. What is Bluetooth? Bluetooth. What is the use of Bluetooth? Transferring data from nearest computer or nearest mobile devices. Transfer the data. Data can be transferring from nearest computer. So, next one, e-book reader. One of the example of mobile devices, e-book reader. The short form of e-reader. What is the full form of e-reader? E-book reader. Okay students. Next, e-book reader, also called e-reader, are similarly tablet computer, except they are mainly designed for reading e-books. Reading, what is the use of e-reader? Reading books, e-books, internet books. Okay. Next, another topic, e-paper. E-paper means, what is the full form? E-paper, electronic paper. What is the full form is e-paper? Electronic paper. This type of display can usually display black and white color. It can be used, e-paper can be used only black and white color. White and black and color. So it reduces the eye strains. It reduces the eye strains. So black and this one is a black and white color. So it reduces the eye strains. Next one, LCD. LCD is a LCD. What is the full form of LCD? Liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. It is the same type of screen. It is the screen type. Is one of the screen type is LCD. It can be used in tablet, computer, and a laptop computer. The LCD monitor can be used in laptops and a tablet computer. Better viewing for magazines or books with the photos. Better viewing. It display many of colors, different colors. It is better viewing for magazines and photos. Last one is smartphone. Last one type of mobile device is smartphone. Smartphone is a powerful mobile phone that is designed to run a variety of applications in addition to providing phone services. Powerful mobile phone. Smartphone is a powerful mobile phone. Smartphone uses touch screen. Smartphone uses touch screen using a smartphone. Next, it has virtual keyboard. Smartphone has virtual keyboard. Smartphone has virtual keyboard. Internet access is the main important feature of smartphone. Internet access, important feature of smartphone. What is the important feature of smartphone? Internet access. So, internet access is an important feature of smartphone. 3G or 4G data plan in addition to normal cell services. 3G, what are the data plan can be used? 3G or 4G data plan can be used to internet access.